I only just did it.
Hello, Mrs. Heatherley. I bet you're surprised to see me, aren't you?
You are, Nate, aren't you? Oh, what do you make of this weather? Snow 1 minute and thaw the next. Still quite thick up our way.
Sickening, isn't it?
I saw your 3 in the queue. We used to call it the tuppenny rush when I was a kid. We used to shout our heads off.
Yeah, it's a good way of letting off steam. I wouldn't mind going with them. My dad used to love a good Western.
Shame you couldn't get the day off. I mean, the kids on holiday and everything.
Yes, but I couldn't ask Mrs. Wilson off today. Saturday's our busiest day at the best of times. The one short as it is. The Christmas rush is no sooner over than we've the January sales to worry about.
Sales. They're for people with more money than sense. Have you bought the kids presents yet?
Oh, yes.
What are the kids doing after the pictures?
Preparing a surprise for me. They've got it all worked out. They've been whispering together for weeks now. Alan's in on the secret, I suspect.
Is Alan spending Christmas Day with you?
What do you think?
I think it's time you two made up your minds. What are you waiting for?
Oh.
All parents of children who attended this morning's matinee at the Rink cinema are asked to contact the police without delay. A number of children who attended this performance are gravely ill. It is essential that we contact all children from this matinee immediately to avoid further cases. A number of children who attended this performance are gravely ill. It is essential that we contact all children from this matinee to avoid further cases. Sweets or pills by an unknown man. Several children are very ill through taking these pills. Emergency. Dangerous pills have been given to children in this area this morning. Please check with your children. These pills are dangerous. Will Mrs. Nugent please You go immediately to the players' entrance. Would Mr. Alan Whitfield go immediately to the players' entrance, where there is an urgent message for him. Thank you.
It's the hill near Boston Woods. Then we'll have to go on foot. I know one place where they've been before. There's the bus stop. And here's your fare. And be sure you get the bus before it begins to get dark.
Shall we get some holly for you too?
Yes, if you can carry it. Now, don't get lost or your mummy will shoot me.
Bang, bang, bang.
Well, I'm off now. Be good.
Goodbye, Aunt Karen. Enjoy the match. See you, Bob. it is. I think we'll get told off coming in.
Oh, no.
Oh, come on, Ruth. Hey, what's wrong then? Has there been an accident? No, we're looking for 3 children.
Hey, we just seen 3 kids a little while ago.
Going the wrong way. Head for the bandstand.
Come on, it's this way.
Oh, Mavis, thank heavens. Doris's flu isn't it?
Stay there in case any parents turn up.
All children who were approached near the cinema or elsewhere in the vicinity contact the police immediately.
They were red, like this. I've got to have them back. And
Don't let the dog off.
the lion, the lion, the lion. There was a little girl. I gave her some.
Mrs. Nugent, I'm Inspector Duffy.
Please tell me what all this is about.
Your children were at the cinema this morning, weren't they?
Yes, but I told you they were all right at lunchtime.
Now, I want you to be... Tell them we've contacted Mrs. Mavis Nugent. We need to find urgently Mr. Alan Whitfield, now at the match at Charlton.
I think he usually goes under the stand.
Whitfield may be under the stand. We'll meet him at the players' entrance.
Right there. Romeo 82 to MP. Mrs. Mavis.
You're all right now, Simon. We're going to help you.
Get in, son. It's all over now.